How's it going, YouTube? Before we get into this video, I do want to say this video is sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box. If you guys don't know, it's a box that you subscribe to. Click the link down below. You get a bunch of cool stuff, a bunch of new stuff, learn some new techniques of bass fishing, bluegills, trout, walleyes, whatever you want to try. And yeah, get yourself a box, get some awesome stuff, learn how to fish, try new things. I'll see you guys in this video. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. Holy cow, it's been a while since I'm gonna try to stay in the shade by the building right here, but it has been about 2 months since we've been on this boat. Only because it's been a busy summer. I've been, running around family. You guys know how it goes. Summer events, family events, birthday parties, weddings, stuff like that. And I was just dying to get it back out here on the boat and just do some. If you guys guessed it, yes, we are catfishing today. From a recent video, me and my buddy Vang and my brother Danny, we came out doing some like catfish scouting basically. We caught a couple here and there as you guys saw in the video. But today we're gonna take the electronics, we're gonna go ahead and scan and try to figure something out here. So with that being said, first things first, let's go and find some bait fish. We're gonna go find some bluegills, crappies, rock bass, whatever we can use, drums for a cut bait. So stay tuned, I'll see you guys out on this beautiful, beautiful morning. Nobody's out here but me, so yes, I'll see you guys soon. Basically, if we can't find bluegills, we'll go for sheephead. You just throw some like shrimp or something like that. Just go for those. Sheephead's good cut bait too, but bluegill is just so much easier. Oh, look what we got here. Got our little rock bass. So we can keep here for bait. Jeez, what is this? Oh, it's a bass. Goodness, can't use you. You're the guy chasing bait around. Go, dude. Relax, buddy. That's a big fish. It's a really big fish. Oh my gosh. It's a big fish. What the heck? Dude, it's a big fish. Okay. That's a catfish, that's why. So the one I hooked up before was probably a catfish too. Should get the net out. He's not coming out. I'm trying to horse him. It's a nice fish too. I want to be very careful because I don't want it to snap and hit my rod on top, Okay, buddy. You can come out now. Jeez, look at him go. There we go. Jeez, buddy. That's crazy. Look at that thing. Sheesh. Alright. What a nice kitty cat. It's not your turn yet, but I'll take it. See ya, buddy. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go out to the main river here, find some different channels, some rockier channels, I should say. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna park my boat here on a public docking. I'm gonna go and try to catch some bluegills on that side over there. The reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want to spook that hole out. That hole over there is really good. So yeah, let's see if I can do this. Let's go find these bluegills real quick, even if the battery died. No bluegills today, that's for sure. Oh, got him. Yes, nice. Okay, we got a white bass. That'll work. That will work. This white bass is good meat for catfish. Got him. That was cool. That was cool. I splashed it, held it there, and boom, just annihilated. Oh, we got him. Yeah! Yes! Yes, we got a gill. We got a gill. Let's go. Got a gill. Yeah, boy, I could get like 10 of those. It'd be awesome. We're gonna use that bucket as our stool here. So, warning, bleeding content. This is what we have to do to catch the, just like that. Dispatch it. I'm gonna cast, see what happens. Just like that. Okay. Nice and chunky and juicy. Alright, so we just repositioned. I got it set up here, and it's gonna be sitting right by that pillar. There should be a hole like right here somewhere. Hopefully the flathead's there. I don't know. I'm gonna keep casting to see if I catch these white bass. I'll entertain myself. Debating if I want to throw a shrimp out, you know, just for the heck of it. I might. I got a fish. He's on. He's on. Yep, that's a big fish. That's a big one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a nice fish. And I took the rope off. Oh jeez. I think it's a flathead. It's not coming out. Oh my gosh, I need help. I don't know why I did that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. There was actually a fish there. Ooh, this is channel. Okay, not a flathead. Jeez. Scared the crap out of me. I thought it was a freaking flathead. Oh my gosh. I have to be very careful. Damn, it fights so hard on the boat. Get to this other side here. That's a nice channel. As soon as I took the rope off. Nice, okay. Alright, we're good. Okay. I have no idea what happened to the release part of this channel catfish, the first one that I caught. The clip is just not there. So, anyways, I released it. Keep watching. My goodness. Alright, let's do it again. Dang it. I didn't record, guys. But another nice kitty. Jeez, relax. Goodness. Dude, they love this rock bass head. Get in here. Yes. I don't know why I turned my GoPro off, but I caught another one. Cool. Oh my gosh. Got leeches everywhere. Another nice kitty. Dude, they're so freaking muscular. Gosh. No nice kitty. Sheesh. That's a fish. Yep, that's a fish. We're on, boys. Yep, there we go. It's running like crazy. It doesn't feel too big. It's not too big. Dang, they dog so hard. Look at that. He's not that big, but he's a good one. Jeez, he didn't know it was coming. Woo! That's a good kitty cat. Nice. Holy cow, dude. That's a nice fish. Look how pretty that is. It's insane. It's so healthy, dude. Look. Wow. Alright. Back you go. The heck? Right away. White bass. More cut bait. Alright guys, so it's been a minute since we caught any catfish, right? We're at the Main Street Bridge now. I did catch 2 rock bass, so hopefully I can use rock bass as bait. Pretty decent size. Oh jeez, I'm gonna use the bigger one. It's cut bait, and I'm gonna use the smaller one as live bait. It's nice. Flathead, okay? Just to go. Alright, there you go. Dispatch. Okay. This bait right here. Okay, just rig it right through the head, right up here. Thickest part. Alright. Just like that. And now, what we have to do is chuck it right behind us. That's a nice fish. Oh gosh, what is this? What is this? I don't have enough battery either. Oh jeez. It's a real nice fish. Oh gosh. That's a nice fish, guys. Oh, battery, please don't die. Please don't die. Got yourself a nice kitty, guys. Flathead, but oh, that thing's easy 10 pounds. Easy 10 pounds, guys. Holy cow. Holy leeches, too. Wow, so much leech. Nice kitty right there. That's a big kitty. Got a nice catfish, guys. Big old channel. Golly. Can't fit him in the frame, but that's a nice 7, maybe 8 pounder. So, take a look at it. Go ahead and get it released. Nice fish. Look at that thing. Gosh, it's crazy. Woo. Got him. Oh my gosh. That's a tugger. pulling me to the wall. That's a channel. I think it's a channel. Jeez. I think it's a channel. It's gotta be. Oh, he's dogging me. He's dogging me hard. Whoa. Dang. Jeez. It's a nice fish. It's a really nice fish. Oh, he's going. He's going. There you go. We got a noggin on. It's pretty decent. So I gotta be careful because if this thing lets go and I whack my rod up here, it's over, man. Like, it's gonna be real bad, you know. I honestly didn't think it was gonna take the white bass head. Nope, nope, come back, come back, come back. Oh, it's a giant. Dude. Can't lift him up, it's huge. Look at that big kitty. That's insane. You see that? I can't even fit him in the frame. But that's a nice kitty cat right there. Oh, this thing's definitely pushing 10 pounds. Look how fat it is too. Look at that thing. Such a massive fish. Look at the gut. Alright, we'll release it. Whoa, that was so cool. Dude peeled me too. That's a nice female. Oh yeah. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Hey, we got fish on. Yep, that's a giant. Oh gosh. There's a lot of it. That's a channel too. That's a channel. Jeez. Whoop, get out of there. Just want to see what it looks like. It's not that big. I don't think so. Oh, dang, he's dogging, all right. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he's gone. He's gone. Big he is. Dang, he's not coming out. Oh, jeez. That's crazy. I might just sit down here so the camera can focus on me. That's so cool. He's just digging me hard as heck. Gosh. There's the meat. Oh, it's another big one. Not as big as the other ones, but still good fish. Oh, that's a tanker right there. Oh my gosh. Nope, relax, relax, relax. I'm gonna let you go. It's another nice channel. Holy cow. Look how dark it is too. I know lighting is horrible because I'm under the bridge right now, but a nice channel cat right there. Look at the forehead on that thing. Alright, catch and release. Look for that 10. Well guys, that is it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, all I basically did was catfish, right? I caught a couple more, but they weren't that big. Just a bunch of arm size, maybe 20-25 inches, and I threw them back. Nothing big yet. The bite is going to turn on. It's going to get a lot better, so stay tuned. We're going to do a lot more catfishing under bridges, isolated areas, deep areas in Green Bay, stuff like that, and hopefully we find that big trophy size flathead. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys out on this water. Peace.